Say hello, Bubby. Say hi. This is my dog. What do you guys think about this setup? I've been gone a while. I don't want to address that in this video, so I'm gonna pretend like it didn't happen. Oh, it's pink. Okay, I have to be quiet. Shit. That's a cute ass box. I was badly in need of a new cellular device. That is how this came about. That's a close-up from a box for ya. Sorry. How do you guys feel about iPhone culture? Leave me a comment down below. Shaqueta. I feel like such a creep. Oh my god. Yes. Old phone. Old phone shot. Old phone. Old phone. New phone, bitches. Oh, sugar. Sugar. That sounds like a bad word. Am I supposed to whisper? Does whispering make it more SSMR? I'm doing a SSMR video. I feel like I'm gonna break this shit already. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't have a screen protector. I didn't buy a screen protector. I don't have anything yet. I don't have a case. I cannot use this device. Damn, that shit is just pretty. That shit is pretty. I'm sorry, I can't hold it out that far. Makes me nervous. Let's power it up. Oh shit. Beat me up, Scotty. Shaqueta, shaqueta, shaqueta. Slowly dying. But how are you guys doing? I mean, like, hello. Like, what's up? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh my god, you guys. It's amazing. It's a miracle. Oh my god. Enter the passcode of my other phone. We're back. How are you doing? By the way, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna start posting very soon. Probably by the time this video is posted, so follow me on Instagram. That was pretty quick and easy. I'm gonna continue to set up my phone, but thank you guys so much for watching this random video. It's just my first video that I made and decided to make coming back. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. There's so much I'm not gonna say in this video, and I really hope it doesn't frustrate you because I'm not gonna address anything. I'm just gonna post it as if I've been here since yesterday. Anyway, love ya. Bye.